In the UK, they are not living the life. They are living a robotic life. It's as if almost everybody here are being controlled by a remote somewhere or by a keypad somewhere. Everybody, the only activity they have is go to work, come back, go to work, come back, go to... not be like Nigeria, obviously, they go chill, they go flex. I don't know how many days now to go back to Nigeria, I don't they hungry me. I can never live here. It's not possible. I can't stay here, fam. I'm going back to my country. You see the way they gyre for Nigeria, it's not possible here. These people be as if they put computer chip for their brain. It's like a maze. See the girl, okay, see the girl when that girl from Nigeria, I know that girl like 2020. I don't they try parade the girl, the thing no work. She can't leave Nigeria. I think she left Nigeria 2022, early 2022. She come this UK. First week I see the try man see nothing. As I come this UK now, I just tell the girl say, okay, pull up. I tell the girl say, me I don't want to do relationship now.
Actually, what Very Dark Black Man is saying, there is truth in it. Some people here are not happy. They are just here to go to work, come back home, work, come back home. It's not easy. Why? Because they want to make it. If you don't work, you will get money from the government, but how much are you going to get? It won't be enough for you. So that's why people are working too much in abroad. It's not easy. It's in Nigeria that you're going to chop life. You are right. In Nigeria is where you're going to enjoy. That's why if they come back, they spend money anyhow. They rikasia obo, as if they don't suffer to get it. Let me let you watch the video to the end.
What am I trying to say? These people hardly get companions. These people hardly talk to people. Everybody in this UK are living on their own, bro. People hardly fall in love in this town. If you say people don't marry for this town, the Nigerians say they don't marry here. I think beat my chest tell you say they don't marry because of love. They marry because time don't they pass. Or they need somebody to just deal with them. It is a lonely world out here. I promise you, man. Life no they happen for this UK. As people don't come here, where they go tell you. As the Nigerians say they don't relocate, if they enjoy your past Nigeria. The only good thing you say that the security, the economy, and then the hospitality. If anything happens to you, hospital, the ambulance, and all those things. Bro, apart from these things, I swear to God, the main thing about life, you cannot enjoy it here. It's just one activity, go to work and come back. Nigeria will one bed, they basically invite you for party. For a year, you feel this, I don't know this UK now. People when I know, they don't come visit me because they get shit. They get work to do. Them Nigerians say that we just take break. Nigeria, they live the life, bro. We are living the life in that country. You will not understand. What thing God do for us? It not be our band leaders so we get. Bro, Nigeria is everything. It's the leaders. Make government just give us good hospitals. Just give us good roads. I like the rules of the road for here because this place they hardly get accident because of the rules of the roads. In a year, I say for UK, if they feel record like 5 accidents in the whole UK in a year. Make Nigeria give us good roads, standard economy. I swear, no place is better than that country. Bro, I come here, I would beat my chest to tell you that almost everybody they stay here, they're depressed. They are not happy with their lives, bro. Forget the story they tell you. They are not happy. There's no 5G. It's one activity, bro. If you see the way I get rush me, and because it don't tell, nobody they go there. Cobwebs full the place before my bullet enter. Cobwebs. Now, you matters that they present give you. I kid you not, bro. I kid you not. This UK, bro, forget it, there's no flexing guy. I just go, even them the Uibo here. And this is another reason why the all those our boys so they land them the Uibo for here. You know why? Because they themselves, they don't get activities to do. They don't get mad when they take this. Everybody face their road. Bro, I can't live here, bro. I don't care what anybody wants to say, blah blah blah. I know please stay for this country. Guy, I can't. Even to visit the country, so I don't even sure for set you something where they bring money go come. But other than that, bro, I can't come here, man. I can't live here. I can't. Fucking hell, man.